the wiring for a world of humans, AI, and robots. Everyone is building the brain. The Velsanet Research Institute draws the wiring for the world those brains will live in. An international body that owns the architecture, defines the standard, and certifies conformance for an AI-native, multi-channel, sixth-generation network. Why an institute? Why now? A 6G world will not be humans, or AI, or robots. It will be all three acting at once in the same physical space. The decisive question is not how capable each one becomes. It is what carries intent between them without distortion, and who is accountable when something fails. Velsanet's architecture is a function of topology. The structure is defined before content. Conventional certification tests one device at a time. Where it sits irrelevant. Velsanet cannot work that way. A configuration that ignores the work items breaks channel isolation and the guaranteed intent path. Conformance has two layers. The first verifies a single device. Its channel structure, dual E2E isolation, and optical substrate. The second verifies the configuration against the network AI work items. This second layer cannot be bypassed. A non-conforming configuration is simply not a working Velsanet network. The institute separates three roles, but keeps certification in one place. It owns the verification system, defines conformance, and issues the mark. ETRI participates as a trusted technical partner, providing test environment and measurement. Manufacturers and AI vendors build and submit. They cannot self-certify. The institute sustains itself without a sponsor, subsidy, or investor exit. 4 streams carry it: free open membership with paid governance tiers, device verification fees, architecture and configuration verification. The strongest, unavoidable stream, and the licensing royalty that returns the value of the structure itself. Operation runs as a cycle. Apartments, meals, and research space attract participants. Their work accumulates as patents, papers, and prototypes. The showroom makes results visible, drawing companies and investors. Contracts and certification generate revenue, which reinvests into the infrastructure, and the cycle begins again. Velsanet's conviction is that verification happens through measurement, not consensus. So the Simangium site combines 3 things in one place: living infrastructure with housing and meals, a dedicated test bed for experimentation and standardization meetings, and a permanent showroom bridging research to commercialization. Participation is open regardless of nationality. Simangium is the founding hub, not a national boundary. The Velsanet Research Lab is a multinational consortium with representatives from each country, and the International Velsa Governance Forum coordinates standards and interoperability comparable in role to the IETF for the Internet. Membership is tiered, so influence over the standard tracks contribution to it. Adopters take the specification and build for free with no vote. Contributing members gain working group access. Promoters hold board and committee seats. Meanwhile, the bench that verifies conformance stays neutral. A temporary founding body carries the work from time-stamped architecture to a constituted institute. 4 divisions each deliver one prerequisite. Standards freezes the specification. Verification defines conformance and partner agreements. Governance drafts the charter and fees. Operations prepares the site and funding. Then it dissolves. The institute owns the architecture, defines the standard, certifies conformance, and sustains itself through participation, belonging to no single entity or country. Its guiding principle is simple: